Restoring the missing Face ID and passcode option on your iPhone 16 helps regain access to important security settings when they unexpectedly disappear from the settings menu. The most common reason the Face ID and passcode option is missing from the iPhone settings menu is that restrictions have been enabled in screen time settings. This thereby prevents passcode changes. Here's what you should do then. To get started, launch the Settings app by tapping on the gear icon from the home screen or app library. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From the Screen Time menu, navigate to the Restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now scroll towards the Allow Changes to section and find Passcode and Face ID. Once found, tap on it to proceed. In the succeeding menu, be sure to select Allow. If Don't Allow is selected or marked with a check, simply tap on Allow to change it. When you're finished making a selection, return to the home screen and then relaunch the Settings app. After reopening Settings, the Face ID and Passcode option should now be visible among other options in the menu. And that's how you restore the missing Face ID and Passcode option on your iPhone 16. We hope that this video is able to help you. If it does, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.